The secret question of JavaScript interview. Handling string and string array with same function. Let's see if the value passed. Is iterable or not? If type of value iterator is not equal to function. If yes, then print that it's not iterable and return from the function call. Okay, now check the else part if the if part goes false. If it's an iterator, then use for loop to print each letter on console. Let's provide some test cases for this function to execute. First one is string ABC and let's see the output. It worked. Next one is string array. Let's see the output. It also worked, we get the output. Next one is plain number 123. It did not iterate, it prints that 123 is not iterable, as because it is of type function. Save and share this reel with your friends, and follow for more such JavaScript content.